Hi, I'm Ling. From the last online Q&A session with wedding couples, I received many questions about pre-wedding photography, gown, about packages. So I thought it's good to share the answer over here so that everybody could learn. One of the questions is how to have confidence in front of a camera. My answer to this question is don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your look. Many couples are just worried too much about their look. They worry their outcome will not be good, and all this worry will bring down your confidence level. My advice is don't worry too much. You're not going for any competition or try to pretend like somebody else. Just trust our photographer. Our photographer is trained in this area. He's able to guide you through the whole session without any problems.
I think almost everybody, almost every guy, before you go to the photography session, you'll be like, wow, very scared, you don't know where to do. And people say, oh, you just act natural, but it's just not very easy to act natural. But I thought when I went through actually the session, our photographer was really he really directed us really well. It was a very comfortable experience. We didn't have to force at all. It was really very comfortable to go through the motion and how he directed us every step of the way. I expected it to be very stressful, but actually it was very fun.
We were very scared of taking photos at first.
And at the end of the day, the photos turned out great, really great.
Yeah, and we love them a lot.
Another question is, I find posing in front of a camera is very awkward. How to overcome it? From the word posing, it sounds very scary. If any photographer asks you to stay there for 1 minute, to anybody, you will feel very awkward. So the way Ling photographer conduct a shoot is very spontaneous. We guide you to be as natural as possible, but at the same time we do give directions. The reason being is that we are the one that actually can see from the camera angle and know what is right or wrong. So sometimes we will give you some direction, we find that certain things can be improved. For example, for this posture, I could be very natural, but from photographer point of view, he will notice that actually my fingers look like being chopped off in the pictures. So he could just adjust it a little bit or give some directions like turn your hand to your right hand side so that the fingers could be seen. So in this position, you may feel a bit awkward, but at least don't feel like the finger being chopped off in the pictures, right? I hope it helps.
Our photographer, there's something that he said that made me remember very well. So he said that the more awkward it is, the better it is for the photos. So I always remember this phrase. So yeah, I've seen the photos and I think that it's a lot better than expected.
Next question is, how to be natural in front of camera? My advice is, relax, clear your mind, just follow through whatever my photographer asks you to do. My photographers are very good in directing, and capturing natural moments is their strength. Next question is, how to pose for wedding photos? My advice is, please don't learn any pose for wedding photography if you want a photo to look natural. My photographers are able to guide you, so please trust our photographer and I assure you that the result will be good. Next is, how to choose the right outfit for location shoots. For any location shoot, my suggestion is don't wear a gown that is too big because it will look very heavy for any outdoor location shoots and you can't do much activities, so the photo will end up very stiff. Wear something that is flowy so that the photo can be more lively. If you're thinking about casual clothing and things like that, it all depends on the location and the activity you're going to engage. So the best is have a discussion with our photographer and gown consultant. They should be able to advise you in terms of color combinations and type of outfit you should wear for that particular locations. The pre-wedding shoot discussion is very important to air out all your questions. My team is there to help you, so do not need to worry too much. That's all for today's sessions. For the rest of the questions, I will leave it to next sessions, so please stay tuned. Meanwhile, if you do like to learn more about Z-Wedding and Ling photography, I will leave a video playlist link below so that you could learn more from there. Cheers!